Hello?
Hi, are you looking for a new roof?
I'm calling about your online
Hi,
request
this
for
is
help
Donna
insurance.
with Card Services.
Hello? 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 Is anyone there?
Hey, good afternoon. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How come it took so long for you to
I'm
answer?
calling with the remodeling center. I'm calling with the remodeling center. We do all the remodels and the repairs. We local license, fully insured. Is there anything big or small you could use a free estimate on for right now?
No, I don't think so. Where's the remodeling center?
And, sir?
Where's the remodeling center?
Yeah, remodeling center. Yeah, we do all the remodel. We like local license, fully insured. We license in 43 different trades. Yeah, we're out here in your area too. We give them free estimates and there's anything that you might maybe was thinking about doing to your home, not right now, but in the future, that you could just use a free estimate on because they offer some crazy discounts right now for homeowners. And you're one of the chosen homeowners that you may qualify for. There's some crazy prices and stuff too, so that you'd be like, you'll jump into it quick, make your socks knock off.
Oh, that's cool. I'd like to put...
Next 3 weeks. I mean, we don't have to, no rush. You don't have to, appointment on that right now. The estimate lasts for 6 months. We're not trying to get you to buy anything. There's no cost, no obligation. We just want to leave you with the information, and therefore in the future, whenever you do get ready, hey, just call us back, and we'll still come out there and honor that for you for the same prices we left you with. Because price is only going to go up by the years anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you guys install flux capacitors?
Sir? Sir?
Yes.
What you said?
I said, do you install flux capacitors?
Capacitors. Let me call my manager. Right quick. Let's see if you do it, because he's like, all right, he's coming right now. Okay, maybe he asked, do we install... Hello?
Hello?
Hi, my name is Ellen, manager here at the remodeling center.
Yep.
So you wanted to get some remodeling done, correct?
Well, I wanted to know if you guys install flux capacitors.
If we what?
If you install flux capacitors.
I can't understand you. Can you repeat it one more time?
Do you install flux capacitors to power the home?
Oh, okay. Like the generator?
No, it's like Back to the Future. It was in the back of the car.
Okay, what about it?
Do you install that flux capacitor?
No, we don't.
Oh, okay. Then I think I'm okay then.
Okay, have a good day.
Right, thank you. What? I don't know what to say.